Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to turn on Auto Sprint in Apex Legends to make movement easier and faster. First, launch Apex Legends and go to Settings. From there, open the Gameplay tab and scroll down until you see Auto Run. Click this on, and once enabled, your legend will automatically sprint whenever you move forward without needing to press the sprint button, which is by default left shift on PC. This is especially helpful for smoother movement, less finger strain, and faster rotations during matches. If you ever want to stop sprinting, just stop moving forward or aim down sights. The game will automatically slow you down when needed. After turning it on, jump into the firing range or a match to test it out and get used to the feel. And that's it. That is how to turn on Auto Sprint in Apex Legends.